Uh, Students, now we are going to solve another question of construction standard 10 CBSE. The question is, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter, which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. Means its radius is given 5 centimeter and it is not given where is the P, but it is given that the angle between PA and PB is 60 degree. Okay, let us do the construction. At first, we shall draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Take 5 centimeter radius on your compass. Take any point and draw a circle. This is a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Mark the center O. Now take any point A on the circle. Any point A on the circle. And join the point A to the center O. Now at A draw 90 degree to get a tangent, because you know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So draw a line perpendicular to this line OA with A as center. Join the point A to this point. So this line is perpendicular to the tangent, perpendicular to the radius, so it is a tangent. Name it, suppose AX. Now we know that in a circle, if we have two radii from an external point P, and if we join this point A and B with the center, okay, then sum of this plus this is 90 degree, and it is a quadrilateral, so obviously sum of this plus this will be 180 degree, because this sum of these two angle is 180 degree. So if this is 60 degree, then this will be 120 degree. Thus we shall draw an angle of 120 degree at the center. At this point we shall draw an angle of 120 degree. Draw an arc. Once cut, it is 60 degree. Another one, it will give you 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. So at this point again you draw perpendicular to, suppose this point is B, name it, name the point as B, and at B you draw 90 degree. Name it Y. So and this point is P. So angle APB obviously will be 60 degree, because this is 120 degree, so 120 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree automatically. Okay.